at Tigmon again, and now I am entering again. Now I am back in. Here are all the chocolates, and more 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 chocolates, of course. And here are all the cold drinks and all. I don't know. And here's more chocolate. Here more chocolate. I think they restocked it because something is new. And here also there's chocolate. So many. And those are also chocolates, and this is a spinning wheel. And also this is chocolate. All this chocolate. And something new. I think that's Dubai chocolate. Wow. And of course we can't forget the Feastables. By the way, Hershey's is gone. And here we also have fake copies of Pringle, even though it's a chocolate mall. Oh, that's Lay's. Wow. And more chocolates. And here are all the coffees and jellies, and of course my favorite, Milka. And just some more random chocolates. Oh, it's chocolate orange. Wow. And here we have whatever this is, some more chocolate. And we have fine. And here we have Gojo. What could we even find, bro? Just Gojo. And here is random chocolate and some pocky sticks, and here also a bit chocolate, and here also it's chocolate. Wait a second, what's this? Wasabi. Okay, whatever. Salted green cheese. And what we have here, we have chocolates, Oreos, Snickers, and we have more chocolates here. I don't know what this, but still all the flavors of mint, and also a bit of chewing gums. Actually not a bit, it's too much. And what do we have? This new, I don't know whatever. And this is the whole circle that I showed in the previous video, and I think this video is going to stretch way long. And the stands that keep the chocolate on look like phone stands, and they are actually. That's some good chocolate. So many chocolates. What else could there be? And here is the whatever this is, I don't know. And if you see, you can see House of Candy written there. And then you have this plain wall, and there's some pictures, and here it's the some different kind of counter thing here, and then also you have some counter. And what do we have? Nothing else. That was all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And by the way, you know what? You have to see this. That's written Tigmon. Huh.